Stories of strength, endurance. In recent years, there has been a significant rise in the number of athletes embracing a vegan lifestyle. These individuals have shattered the stereotype that a plant-based diet lacks the necessary nutrients for peak athletic performance. Through their impressive achievements and remarkable endurance, vegan athletes have become a source of inspiration for both aspiring athletes and those looking to adopt a more sustainable lifestyle. One shining example of a vegan athlete is Scott Jurek, an ultramarathoner who holds numerous records in this grueling sport. Jurek adopted a vegan diet in 1997 and quickly discovered the many benefits it offered him. The plant-based lifestyle, he claimed, not only enhanced his recovery time but also provided him with a newfound mental clarity during races. Jurek's accomplishments include winning the Western States 100-mile endurance run 7 consecutive times, a testament to his indomitable strength and resilience. Another remarkable vegan athlete is Patrick Baboumian, a powerlifter and strongman. Baboumian is the former title holder of the strongest man in Germany and has set numerous world records in strength sports. Contrary to popular belief, Baboumian demonstrates that a vegan diet can provide all the protein and nutrients necessary for remarkable physical strength. His exceptional feats of power are a fitting response to those who doubt the efficacy of a plant-based lifestyle. Additionally, Venus Williams, one of the most successful and celebrated tennis players in history, has also embraced veganism. Williams initially adopted a plant-based diet due to health concerns, but soon discovered its positive impact on her athletic performance as well. Despite battling several setbacks and injuries over the years, Williams continues to dominate the tennis court, demonstrating the incredible endurance and resiliency that a vegan diet can cultivate. Furthermore, vegan athletes also participate in team sports, proving that plant-based diets are not limited to individual endeavors. One such example is Megan Duhamel, an Olympic figure skater who transitioned to veganism after encountering cruelty in the animal industry. Duhamel is proof that a plant-based diet can fuel artistic expression within a highly demanding discipline that requires strength, agility, and coordination. The stories of these vegan athletes demonstrate that a plant-based lifestyle is not only compatible, but can also enhance athletic performance. By prioritizing the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins, athletes achieve optimal nutrition, leading to increased stamina, improved recovery, and an overall healthier body. Furthermore, adopting a vegan diet aligns with the principles of compassion and sustainability, making it a natural choice for athletes looking to make a positive impact beyond their individual achievements. In conclusion, the rise of vegan athletes has shattered stereotypes and proven that a plant-based lifestyle can go hand in hand with strength, endurance, and remarkable athletic feats. From ultramarathoners, powerlifters, and tennis players to figure skaters, these athletes have debunked the myth that a vegan diet lacks essential nutrients. By sharing their inspiring stories, they bring awareness to the potential benefits of plant-based living, encouraging others to explore this sustainable and compassionate lifestyle. As more athletes embrace veganism, it is clear that the paradigm is shifting towards a future where plant-based nutrition is considered the fuel that powers elite performance. I hope this information on Vegan Athlete Spotlight was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more topics and tips on being vegan, vegan recipes, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, and healthy eating as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. So remember, you are what you eat. Let's make the right choice.